What's up guys? Katating lang natin na dito si Boss Brian. Meron kasi silang pre-order. So, ready na natin yung transaction. Dalawang bodega yun, boss, no? One is the padded version and one is the calfskin leather version. I think it already arrived. So, kunin ko na. Hello po! Good afternoon, madam. Hello po, nice to meet you. Kamusta, madam?
Mabuti naman. Sarap na coffee naman.
Talaga? Na-try niyo na po? Ano, did you try the iced or the hot iced? Okay. Would you want another one? Kasi prepare ko lang yan.
Sabi
Or baka mag-palpitate. Or matcha na lang.
Matcha na lang.
Matcha na lang. Sige po. Sige.
Sarap yung matcha na.
Oo, ginagawa niya sa akin.
Daw.
Para sa akin talaga yun eh.
Actually, we're proud with the matcha rin. Masarap din talaga po. Ready na ba kayo, madam? So, here, may konting card lang tayo from Big. Konting thank you lang. Thank you card. So, it comes with the dust bag po. We provided the box na lang po is from Prism. Generic lang. Hindi namin tinanggal na. Para yung experience, unboxing it and removing the ano. Kasi ayoko rin magkaroon ng smudges. So, hindi ko pinapagalaw. To be honest, among the two bags, this is the one that we got like a very steal price. Sobrang laki na na-save natin dito kasi they retail for almost parang 200 plus. Tapos nakuha natin ng 150.
Ang ganda. So nice.
Tanggalin mo
Happy,
yun.
happy.
Pwede mo tanggalin, madam, yung ano. Hindi namin tinanggal kasi parang for you talaga eh. Brother, ito yung sa'yo. Ang ganda rin actually. Ang ganda ng
Uy,
pagkagaling
ang
niya.
ganda din.
Yes, with the silverware,
Really
pristine.
tayo.
Kaya pinaano ko talaga kasi ayoko na may mga ano, may mga flow or something.
May gusto akong order something like this one naman.
Opo.
Pero parang, I just send the color.
Yes, go ahead. Yes.
Padded din, man.
Padded din.
Yeah, mas gusto ko pa din.
Thank you, madam. I hope you like it kasi ano talaga, natuwa ko na na-source namin to kasi I think there's only one stock left for this. Hindi ko na kasi namin ni Sir Brian yun na isa na lang.
Ganda.
Ganda po si Padded.
Alright.
The Bottega card should be inside. That's the Bottega card. We didn't unseal it also so you can open it.
Okay, it's here.
Yes, it's sealed it. You can check that whenever. That's from Bottega mismo. Bag ni Sir Brian also has one. Should be inside. 105,000 for the calfskin leather and then 150,000 for the padded ni Madam na special yung ano chains niya, yung gold chains. How long have you had the Airbnb po?
3 years na.
Sa Batangas, no? What's the name of the
Casa Virginia. Name
Casa Virginia. Yan, sa Batangas. Guys,
Sarap.
Thank you, madam.
Yeah,
Salamat
may
po.
potential sa market. Anyway, we need to...
Tuwan ko
Madam,
na
thank you. Nice to meet you in
Pangalawa.
person. That's ketchup, salt, and pepper. Brother, nice to meet you in person. Thank you, brother. Thank
Thank
you.
you, thank you
Salamat.
naman.
Thank you, kuya. Thank you
Madam,
so much.
thank you. So yun guys, starting the day right with two deals right away kila Boss Brian and Madam.